Malina Suleiman paints graffiti on an abandoned building in Mumbai, India. She does it in broad daylight, something she rarely did back home in Kandahar, one of the most dangerous cities in Afghanistan. There, she would sneak out at night and paint images using a flashlight. Still, she couldn't escape the Taliban. One day, she tells us, a domestic helper brought her family some disturbing news.
She heard that my life is in a risk, and the Taliban make a plan for me. Maybe they will do something with me. I mean, maybe they will fight, kill me, or maybe they will throw acid.
Her crime, controversial art. 23-year-old Suleiman is a painter, sculptor and graffiti artist. Her images, provocative.
Those are modern slavers, and those are which using the turban just like Taliban and other peoples.
She says this one depicts the tussle between the turban and a western tie, symbolic of the clash between fundamentalists and liberals. Suleiman says this angered the Taliban. She says they had warned her before, the last time over a sculpture she'd made, saying it would lead to idol worship, forbidden in Islam. Following the threats from the Taliban, her family moved to Mumbai temporarily. She's taking an art course here. When she returns to Afghanistan, her parents want her to stop painting. Malina, will you ever stop painting?
No, it's not possible for me. I can't breathe without art.
But aren't you afraid? I mean, the Taliban has given you 2 threats. Are you not afraid?
Of course I'm afraid. Sometimes I aversion if Taliban will throw their acid on my face, if I don't have eyes, if I lost my eyes, how I can paint and how can I improve the art?
It's risky, but Suleiman feels a sense of responsibility.
I'm the first artist who's doing the graffiti. So I thought that if I'm afraid, who will open that door for the graffitis for the other artists?
She dreams of a day when she can express herself freely in Afghanistan, the way artists can in India.
If you see the artists, they can do art anywhere. They can throw their message. If they have political point, if there isn't any political point, it doesn't have effect in the artist's life.
And it's a democracy. There's freedom of expression.
It's just democracy for the artist.
Many of Suleiman's images revolve around a key. Sure, it's just art, she says, but it's a powerful symbol. It has the potential to unlock her country's future. Malika Kapoor, CNN, Mumbai.